Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. In today's work example, we'll be trying to find the equation of a line for which we are given the gradient as well as a point through which it passes. So let's start. First of all, we know that for a line for which we are given the gradient as well as the as a point through which it passes, it satisfies the following equation: y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is the gradient, y1 and x1 are the points that we're given. So in this case, m would be equal to 5, y1 would be equal to 3, and x1 would be equal to minus 2. Now what we'll just do is we'll substitute these values into the equation, back into the equation, and we would get y minus 3 equals 5 times x minus minus 2. And we'll simplify it and we'll get y minus 3 is equals to 5 times x plus 2, and y minus 3 equals 5x plus 10. And because the standard form of the equation of a line is y is equals to mx plus c, we will take everything except for y to the right side of the equation, and we will rearrange to write it as y is equals to 5x plus 13. And this is the equation of the line that we were able to find using the gradient as well as the point that we're given. So that was all. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you all in the next lesson.